Welcome back to the channel. The markets just closed a few seconds ago, and we are looking at the stock price of Goldfields Limited. This is a South African based company that has gold mines in South Africa, Ghana, Peru, and other countries across the globe. And they just purchased a Canadian company called Yamana. And so Yamana is owns part of Canada's largest, biggest gold mine, and Goldfields paid about, I think, 30% above premium. That's above the stock price of Yamana, and so they acquired the company, and the deal was worth $6.7 billion, and it's all in shares. So they will be doing some share swapping, and that's how they will pay for Yamana Rose Gold. So this is what happened today with Goldfields Limited, and you can see that the volume absolutely exploded. It's at 62 million shares that exchange hands, compared to an average volume of 7 million shares. Also, you can see that the stock price of Goldfields Limited dropped 23% during the normal trading session, and right now it was trading at $9.34, down $2.86, $2.86. So the price of gold right now is at $1,840 for an ounce, and so it actually went down 0.89%, and that is where we sit with the market right now. So everybody was surprised, that Goldfields Limited agreed to pay up to 31% above Yamana's latest closing price on the stock market, because in this area, trading between gold miners, they usually don't pay that much of a premium. But I guess the management of Goldfields Limited know their reserves and what kinds of markets they are targeting when they went into this deal. So that is what happened with Goldfields Limited, and I think most of the investors did not see this actually applying downward pressure to the stock price of Goldfields Limited. The market capitalization of the company right now is at $8.355 billion, B with a billion with a B, and you can see that the 52-week range is from $7.75 all the way up to $17.20. So we are definitely towards the lower end of the spectrum, which is not too surprising given the global economic downturn. Also, if you look at the past 6 months, you can see that the stock price beginning this year of Goldfields Limited ran up, and they reached a high at about $16.71 around the 11th of March, and then from there it just started going downward. So I think that might actually be the 52-week high, which was sometime in March, around March 7th, when they hit $17.20, and from there they just continued heading downward. But if you look at the 5-year graph, you can see that the company has really come up from a long ways, and they've actually built up quite a bit of value in their stock. So short term, it might look like a bad deal, but I think gold is always in fashion. It's needed for electronics, it's needed for medical devices, it's also needed for jewelry. So it's not going out of fashion tomorrow. But having this stock drop 23%, that might actually present a very good entry position into the Goldfields Limited stock. Also, in times of uncertainty, like the global economy is behaving right now, gold has historically been a very good store of value. So people tend to buy gold bars. They could stock it either at their homes, or they could have these stored in commercial vaults, and then they hold a title to the gold. So always think about gold long term, and as a a timeless store of value that has proven itself over the ages. Anyways, that's what I had to share with you guys. Goldfields Limited buying the Canadian gold miner, and the stock price dropping 23.48% to trade at $9.34, and also the Canadian deal is at about a 30%, 31% premium over the last close of the Canadian mining company before the deal was announced. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.